Have you ever wondered why glowfish glow and how scientists visualize the invisible process within the biological field? Our answer to these questions is the green fluorescent protein, or GFP. GFP is a glowing molecule that was originally discovered from the jellyfish Achoria victoria. The protein has helped scientists from around the world visualize invisible biological processes of the life around us, from studying diseases and tracking genes to help track cancers. GFP has countless medical applications. GFP can be used to illuminate animals like mice, rabbits, pigs, cats, and many more. By illuminating these animals, scientists gain the ability to visualize organismic development and genomic expressions. GFP is more than just a glowing protein. It's a gateway to discovery.
The first way GFP was ever obtained was through squeezing the Aquaria victoria jellyfish, but this was a tedious process to perform, so it was decided to use an alternative way of extracting this molecule. The modern approach to obtaining GFP is through injecting the protein into a plasmid that is then introduced to an E. coli colony. Once introduced, the bacteria will then overexpress the GFP gene. Once overexpressed, a two-phase process is used. Salt is scattered on the bacteria, which causes its cells to lyse and precipitate the green fluorescent protein. Once precipitated, the protein is purified through methods such as affinity chromatography. This process recovers up to 80% of the overexpressed GFP molecules in the colony.
Once extracted, GFP has had a significant impact on the medical community. By tagging GFP to specific proteins, medical practitioners can view the molecules within our cells. These methods also track protein movement and can be used to track proteins in real time, allowing researchers to better study diseases such as Alzheimer's, cancers, and infections. By tracking these proteins, doctors can also analyze the effectiveness of the treatments that they use and how they affect our bodies. GFP serves as a reporter molecule that can help physicians monitor gene expression through coupling it with cellular promoters. It also aids in monitoring tumor progression by illuminating their development and helping subcellular structures. This protein can help visualize intracellular pH levels as it mutates response to changes within pH. The green fluorescent protein has many medical uses outside of the listed and helps medical practitioners around the globe visualize what goes on within the cell.
To experiment with the green fluorescent protein, scientists first had to see how it worked, so they put it in different animals. The animals that have been tested on are mice, rats, cats, rabbits, pigs, common marmosets, rhesus monkeys, and most prominently, fish, such as in the product glowfish. These animals are not the only ones to be tested on, as there could be more that haven't been documented. Primarily, GFP is implemented in animals so that scientists can analyze their development patterns. A fun fact that was also found is that GFP can be hereditary when added at a certain stage in an organism's development, as two baby marmosets have been documented to be born with it from genetically modified parents that contain the GFP genes.
In this video, we talked about the three main things regarding GFP: how to obtain it, what medical uses it has, and what animals it has been tested on. Obtaining the protein involved overexpressing the protein in bacteria and then precipitating it out. The medical uses of GFP helped us monitor gene expression and see how genes affect the organism that they are within. The protein has even been used in animals to both see them illuminated and observe how organisms develop throughout their lifespans. Studies using GFP are becoming more prevalent, and the biological field is advancing through the use of this technology. Through illumination, we can study and observe the beauty of our natural world around us.